Let me show you what we got going on. George! This is what we got right here. Micro mesh. Leaf Blaster Pro, baby.
You see the storms, you see the rain fall down. We're the local names, the best ones in this town. Not a national brand, just looking for a check. We're the neighbors here, saving every day. We see the leaves, we see the debris climb, but we're on the ladder, saving you the time. I'm talking Plaster Pro, the shield you need. Peach State installations, we take the lead. From the gutter to the ground, we keep it clear. The local experts that you want right here. We care for you. We care for you. A custom fit, a system built to last. Forget the failures of the companies in the past. We're installing pride in every single home. Quality service wherever we may roam. It's more than a job, it's the way we treat our own. Through the Georgia wind, we've got the strongest zone. It's Leaf Blaster Pro, the shield you need. Peach State installations, we